In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from Beehiiv in just 5 minutes. Beehiiv is a fantastic platform that allows you to monetize your content effectively, and we'll be guiding you through the process step by step. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Beehiiv website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Beehiiv URL, or simply search for it through your search engine. Once you're on the Beehiiv homepage, you should see the login option prominently displayed. Click on the login button to proceed. Next, you have the option to log in using your Google account, which can save you time and hassle. Simply click on sign in with Google and you'll be prompted to connect your Google account with Beehiiv. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to enter your credentials. This integration makes the process seamless and secure, ensuring your information stays protected. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the central hub of your Beehiiv account where you can manage all your activities and track your performance. To find your dashboard, click on the link provided in your account settings or in the Beehiiv menu. Once on your dashboard, you'll notice several options, but today our focus is on the Share and Earn section. This is the crucial part of our monetization journey. Select the Share and Earn option to explore how you can share Beehiiv with others and earn commissions from it. Now that you're in the Share and Earn section, you need to proceed to your partner link. Your partner link is the special URL you'll use to promote Beehiiv. To get there, click on the designated tab, often labeled as your partner link or something similar. This link is unique to you, so it's essential for tracking who signs up through your promotion. Once you're in, you can easily copy your Share and Earn link. Look for the copy button next to your unique link and click it. This link will be what you share with others who might be interested in Beehiiv. Sharing this link with your audience comes with great incentives. You'll earn a 50% commission for the first 12 months for each new user who signs up using your link. Plus, your audience benefits too. They receive a 30-day free trial and 20% off for the first 3 months. This offers tremendous value, making it easier for you to promote Beehiiv. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now well on your way to earning from Beehiiv. Remember to engage with your audience and showcase the benefits they'll receive. Happy earning!